Hello everyone and welcome to Mon-Ara's channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a watermelon serum made with real 100% watermelon. This watermelon serum is so light. I love to use it at night. I also use it during the day. I use it in place of a face cream. Let's just get into the video. So you want to start with some freshly squeezed watermelon. Next, you want to put that in a double boiler and make sure you don't heat it above 71 degrees. Alright, once you've heated and held it for about 15 to 20 minutes, you put it down and let it get warm. I am straining it some more because you're going to see some particles settle. Next, we're adding our water, and don't worry, I will add the recipe or ingredients and the amount in the video down below. I am adding some Allantoin. Alright, just add that and mix it into your liquid. Then I am going to add my humectant, and I'm using a Propanediol 1.3. You can substitute that for glycerin if you don't have Propanediol. I'm also adding a watermelon extract, which I got from Formulator Sample Shop. Add this to your desired percentage or as desired usage rate. Then I'm also adding some cucumber fruit extract. That is going to give us some moisturizing properties. Next, I have a Matmarine, which I got from Lotion Crafters. This is perfect for oily skin if you have oily skin, and it is used at a 1 to 3%. All this is going to make a very rich serum or gel. Mix that together into your liquid. Make sure it is well incorporated, and here is where the magic happens, how the gel is actually formed. I am using Aristoflex AVC, and this has been one of my preferred choice of gel powder. It makes a very lightweight type of gel and also makes it really clear. So if you're thinking about a clear gel like consistency as your end result, I would say go for that. Now I am checking my pH just to make sure I am between a 5 and a 6, and it's just perfect. Add in your preservative of choice. Make sure it's a water soluble preservative. If not, an oily soluble preservative would make your end product cloudy. Now my serum was not as thick as I wanted it to be, so I'm going in and adding about 0.1% xanthan gum, which actually made all the difference. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.